Cosmetic dermatology, freeze fat with cool sculpting. Cool sculpting is a revolutionary non-surgical treatment that freezes away fat. It is approved by the FDA and ideal for removing fat in the belly, love handles, thighs, and even beneath the chin. Safe and highly effective, cool sculpting is a great option for those at or near goal weight who are struggling with stubborn fat that won't budge with diet and exercise. With no downtime and no surgery, it is no surprise cool sculpting is popular for men and women looking to safely contour their bodies. How cool sculpting works. Cool sculpting was discovered when scientists realized children who regularly ate popsicles permanently lost fat in their cheeks. Freezing fat simply works. Cool sculpting has been developed over several years and was approved by the FDA in 2010. It is a type of cryolipolysis and allows for targeted fat freezing. Most patients require being 3 and 5 sessions per area. Special handheld tools are used to topically target fat cells externally. Each session takes 30 minutes and there is no pain, discomfort, or downtime. No damage to muscle or skin tissue occurs. Over several weeks, the frozen fat dissolves and is safely absorbed and metabolized by the body. Cool sculpting offers permanent, lasting results. Most patients experience a 20% reduction in fat after just one treatment. Additional treatments lead to increased fat deposit reduction. Cool sculpting results happen over time, which allows for the skin to naturally adapt to a slimmer, leaner body. This means no loose, saggy skin. A lot of people struggle with stubborn fat regardless of how healthy their diet and exercise regime are. Cool sculpting targets this fat without damaging skin or muscle. Only desired fat is frozen. In the weeks post-cool sculpting, the frozen fat is naturally absorbed and processed by the body. Cool sculpting results are permanent. Frozen fat will never return or grow back. What to expect with cool sculpting. Many patients are pleasantly surprised by how fast, easy, and comfortable cool sculpting sessions are. In their half-hour session, they watch a favorite show, catch up on work, or read a book. Billions of fat cells are frozen in just 30 minutes. With no downtime, clients can immediately return to work or their daily activities. There might be some numbness and soreness, but these side effects are very mild. It can take up to 6 months for full results to be achieved, but most clients notice a difference within the first month. For years, the only option for permanent fat removal was liposuction. However, liposuction is a surgery that comes with risks, scarring, and downtime. Cool sculpting is an alternative for those at or near goal weight. Cool sculpting benefits. Cool sculpting is a non-invasive body contouring procedure with many benefits. Contours and customizes areas in your limbs, belly, and chin. Can reduce fat by freezing it away. No anesthesia is needed. No damage to surrounding muscle or skin. no downtime, no surgery or invasive procedure required. There is no injection or needles. Cool sculpting before and after photo. Versatile fat reduction, freeze it away. Cool sculpting is one of the most versatile aesthetic treatments available. The procedure can target almost any bodily area, including the stomach, limbs, chest, back, and beneath the chin. The latest cool sculpting technology and tools to ensure patients receive the best care and can choose from the latest treatment options. Not all cool sculpting clinics can treat every approved area. New areas are constantly being added, and fat reduction experts want clients to have every possible option. Effective at reducing pockets of fat. Everyone is born with a unique number of fat cells and distribution. Those pockets of fat are congenital and might not budge no matter how healthy your diet is or how committed you are to the gym. However, cool sculpting can reduce fat pockets by apoptosis. Fat is highly sensitive to specific cold temperatures and can be frozen away without nerve or tissue damage. Cool sculpting technology was developed over 2 decades of research. Now you can enjoy the benefits. Cool sculpting versus liposuction. Cool sculpting and liposuction are the only ways to get rid of fat for good. However, liposuction is a surgical option that comes with all the risks, potential side effects, and downtime of surgery. Liposuction might be an option for those looking for a fat loss procedure and have ample amounts of fat to remove. Cool sculpting is a much safer procedure for those at or close to goal weight who struggle with stubborn fat or pockets of fat. Unlike liposuction, cool sculpting is not a surgery, has virtually no side effects, and no downtime. Everyone responds to cool sculpting differently, and results can vary. Only a dermatologist can determine if you are a good candidate. Cool sculpting is a revolutionary non-surgical treatment that freezes away fat. It is approved by the FDA and ideal for removing fat in the belly, love handles, thighs, and even beneath the chin. Safe and highly effective, cool sculpting is a great option for those at or near goal weight who are struggling with stubborn fat that won't budge with diet and exercise. With no downtime and no surgery, it is no surprise cool sculpting is popular for men and women looking for safely contour their bodies. How cool sculpting works. Cool sculpting was discovered when scientists realized children who regularly ate popsicles permanently lost fat in their cheeks. Freezing fat simply works. Cool sculpting has been developed over several years and was approved by the FDA in 2010. It is a type of cryolipolysis and allows for targeted fat freezing. Most patients require between 3 and 5 sessions per area. Special handheld tools are used to topically target fat cells externally. Each session takes 30 minutes and there is no pain, discomfort, or downtime. No damage to muscle or skin tissue occurs. Over several weeks, the frozen fat dissolves and is safely absorbed and metabolized by the body. Cool sculpting offers permanent, lasting results. Most patients experience a 20% reduction in fat after just one treatment. Additional treatments lead to increased fat deposit reduction. Cool sculpting results happen over time, which allows for the skin to naturally adapt to a slimmer, leaner body. This means no loose, saggy skin.